Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you guys how to publish a static WordPress site, headless WordPress. When they say like headless WordPress, this is what they mean. I mean, more or less, this is what they mean. I mean, they want to sell you something else like use GraphQL, use this React, use it, fuck off. You don't have to use all of that just to make a static headless WordPress, okay? So let's start with this. And what do you need? I mean, you just need to run the WordPress somewhere first. I'm using local VP, or you can use XAMPP, or you can use InstaVP or TasteVP, whatever. Just run the WordPress, okay? I installed just a simple, this is a nice theme, just recently automatic edit, by the way. It looks really nice, look at that. I just published a couple example articles. And now I will install static plugin. Okay, let's install the static plugin, simply static. Okay, this is a great plugin too. We are just gonna use free version of it. We don't need any pro features. And after that, we will just go to the simply static and generate the files. This is exactly the thing the cache plugins do. When I click this, it creates a cache. It generates the HTML, CSS, JavaScript files. Okay, so it is literally a caching. I mean, V3 total cache. It can be a light cache. It can be a whatever. There are like countless cache plugins. So it's just simple static page cache. Okay, it is the same thing. And it generates these files. And after that, we can click the download, or we can go to the folder, same thing. And it saves on the upload. Let me show you the URL. It saves under the upload static temp files, okay? Let's download it, why not? Let's go to the home page, whatever. Sakla, keep it, okay? It is like just static files. Look at that. There is no PHP. Now it's just HTML, okay? So, and after that, we need to go to the Cloudflare. I just created this account. So when you first create it, it asks for a new domain or register a domain on onboarding. Just click building, okay? It doesn't show this left sidebar when you first enter it, okay? Just click start building, and after that it shows the left sidebar. Okay, let's go to the workers and pages because we want to create page. Let's go pages. There are two options. You can connect your Git, and that's what they sell. Like maybe I will make another video how to make with Git. Okay, write a comment if you want to watch that. So if you have like a stack, tech stack, let's say you have like headless stuff, you are making lots of API requests and stuff, you need to run stuff. And when you do that, yes, you may need the Git. But for now, we are just going to upload the static files, build files, okay? When you are using the Git, same thing by the way. But before publishing the site, it needs to build the source and the static files. So upload assets. I think I'm just going to upload the zip, no? Okay, let's make it, this name will be used to generate permanent host name. Let's make it Sinan. Okay. Oh, this is the name it's giving me. Okay. Sinan 47, agent 47. Okay, let's create the project. This is my free subdomain. And then I need to upload. Yeah, I can add a folder, select a folder or a zip. I'm just going to select a zip. Of course, it gives us free 25 megabyte per file. Okay, so that means your website cannot be bigger than 25 megabytes. At least your zip file. And If you need more than that, you need to pay it. That's about it. Upload the zip, desktop, boom. That's it. And it is already showing. They are reading the zip file on client side. That's why it is showed instantly and done. Deploy the site. Is that it? Is it ready? Let's see. It takes like a little bit of time. Depends on Cloudflare, like caching. They need to generate this subdomain. They need to save these files to the CDNs, Cloudflare network, because they have a giant network. Depends where you are in the world. There are lots of. Let's give it a second. Let's click on this continue. What's it's going to show me? Okay, minute ago, view details, build settings. See, it is saving stuff. Functions, headers. Okay, it's ready. I waited like 3 minutes, not much. I just waited 3 minutes, and after that, it was ready. Sometimes it takes long, just I said, like depends on where you are, CDN, caching, the file size, the website size, it affects so many things, okay? Keep it in mind. So, this is it. This is my website. And I can click stuff. Of course, people not be able to publish comment because it is a static site, okay? But there are solutions to that, like simply static comment. There are some solutions for forms, setup comments. If you want to learn how to do that, like read the documentation, okay, it is possible. The forms are possible too. Look at that. When I write forms, VS forms, contact forms, like lots of solutions. VPML, you can set up VPML, multi-language, poly. Look at that. There are lots of options, and these plugins growing. I mean, I hope it becomes huge because they are giving lots of free features, and if they become bigger, they can give more free features. So that's that. If you need just a simple block and static headless website, you can do that. I mean, it can be big too. Like this can be a custom domain really, and you can deploy your enterprise level website too. That's completely possible. You just need to solve those like form problems, like getting the leads and contact forms and stuff. Other than that, you just need to buy a new domain or add a new domain to Cloudflare. That's it. This can be your custom subdomain or custom domain directly. We just use free stuff. That's it, guys. If you guys have any questions, and like I said, I just show the zip version, but you can create a GitHub version too. You can connect a GitHub or GitLab, and you can automatically deploy your stuff from the Git, and that gives you more options and safety really. And because Git has like Git history, you can roll back if something goes wrong with the stuff. And I think if you have like professional enterprise or company level pages, website, definitely you should use the Git. Okay, keep it in mind. I will only recommend this like zip option for personal stuff. That's it, like, or amateur like stuff. Okay, if you guys want me to make another video for the Git, write a comment, like the video. See you guys on the next video. Bye.